Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today I'm gonna be doing another wig slaying video or tutorial for you guys. A new and improved wig. As you can see, the scalp area, the lace area I should say, it looks so much like scalp. It's like they improved the way they bleach the lace off their wigs, and I am here for it, guys. I am here for it. It is beautiful, it's flawless, and I was so excited to just go ahead and try this on my head. And I got this little tip here that I'm doing from this YouTuber by the name of Glamazante. It was so convenient. I have to give props to her. Like, this really helps the ear portion there, like when you want to do little sideburns, to lay. So what I did with this wig is pretty much just pull it all the way down, because I really wanted to like let the back of my head, the wig, stick as well, because I really wanted to try this out for the first time with this 360, and it is the first time that I'm doing this. So I use my Got To Be Free spray, which speeds up everything, and just spray it right around the perimeter of my head, and then I dried that with my blow dryer on cool air, of course, for like 5 to 6 minutes. It's really quick, as opposed to using the gel, which would take forever. And then I just cut off the excess wig cap. You want to do it very close to where you sprayed the edges, so that you don't have too much roll up, because that will show through the lace if you don't do this properly, and it will not look good. So any rolly area I see, like if the wig cap is rolling back, I'll just go in again with the spray and just, you know, lay that further. And I have a little tear or streak in the back of my wig cap, but that's the least. So I further blend the edges with some of my face powder, and I then go in section by section. So I'm gonna do this piece by piece. So I first do one side of my head, and then I apply my wig, and I start sticking down like that, the left side of the wig first, and then I move on to the right side. So I do it in pieces to make it simpler and just make sure that everything is laying properly and it looks flawless at the end. So I don't just do everything one time, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Like, the way I love how this was looking, I didn't even do baby hairs today. I really didn't. I allowed this to do its thing and just wear it as is, and then I just pretty much repeated the same steps for the back of my head. You have to be a little bit more patient though, and then I put it up in a bun, you know. So you just have to really, you know, just be a bit patient and work and just press it in on the back. But it's the same procedure that I did for the back to stick.
That's good.
And so after doing that half up, half down, I tried a high ponytail, and look at it. It's really, I mean, it's not the neatest. It's like a sloppy ponytail, and I don't mind that. That's how I definitely rock it any day, as opposed to doing it all tight, you know. And then you can do it in a bun if you like. So I was just playing around with that. I wanted to just show you guys the scalp area. Look at that, guys. I didn't have to apply any face powder to the lace or anything. This is how the lace came. So I have to give props to RPGhair for stepping up the game with their wigs, man. It's gorgeous. But this was the final thing I did with that, and I didn't even like straighten the hair or curl it. This was the natural state that I received it in, so I'm just blown away. I love it. I love it. I love it. As usual, guys, if you're interested in getting this or any other wig from RPG Hair, go ahead and use my discount codes SUE15 and Petit10 to get dollars off. I'll link my direct RPG Hair page in the description box, so click that, check it out, support your girl. I really appreciate it. You know, go ahead and snatch your hair for Christmas. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. I know it's another ball cap video, but I'm happy I could bring it across in a little bit of a different way to you guys, being that I used a 360 wig this time around. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. If it did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. All the specifications on this wig will be in the description box, so check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.